In this video, I'm going to show you how to set tabs, but instead of separating words using tabs, I'm going to use images. Before I begin, please like and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to get new video updates. Here I have a Word document. Make sure the ruler is showing. If you don't have the ruler, just go to View. Make sure there's a check mark in front of ruler. And I do have a check mark in front of ruler, so I'm good to go. Now I'll go back to the Home tab here. I'm ready to insert my image here. Going to the left-hand side, you can see the letter L. This is the left tab, and I will be setting the left tab somewhere around here. And since I already have the left tab, all I need to do is go to the ruler, click where you want to set your left tab. You can see the letter L right there. I have my left tab set. Now I want to set a right tab somewhere around here. So I will click here one time. And now it's showing the center tab, but that's not the tab I'm looking for. And I'll click one more time. And this is the right tab. As you can see, right tab. I will set my right tab somewhere around here. So I will click right here and you can see the right tab set. Now I'm ready to insert my image. Just go to Insert Pictures. This device, I have uploaded the image in my computer. And the image is located in the Downloads folder. So there's the image here, and I will resize the image to about a size that looks something like this. All right, just click anywhere in front of the image. And I'm ready to hit the tab key on my keyboard. Right now, it's aligned with my left tab, but I want it to align with my right tab first. So I'll hit the tab key on my keyboard one more time. You can see now it's aligned with the right tab. Put my cursor back up here. I'm ready to insert the second image. Again, going to my Downloads folder. I'll select my second image, resize it again. So make it about the same size as my first image here. All right, so, and then I'll click right here, somewhere in front of my first image, press the tab key. Now it's aligned with the left-hand side, but this image is not aligned with the right tab. So I need to just press the delete key on my keyboard. Now it's aligned with the right tab. Now the first image, I can make it a little bit bigger just to have the same size as this other image here. There you have it. You can see now this image is aligned with the left tab. This image is aligned with the right tab. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.